go see all the fishies. Big old Bass Pro Shop. He's getting a big old drink of air. Look at that bass. He's a big boy. Wow. Oh, look at that. Is that a speckled gar or what?
That's
Look
huge.
at that big boy.
Is that a bass?
I actually don't know what that is. Is that a carp?
I think that's a carp.
What's that then?
That's a U. That's a bin. It's a big old store, y'all. This is Texas. This is Texas.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, that seems like mammal.
I've seen these on YouTube.
Did you?
What the heck? I need.
That's funky. No.
Oh, those feel weird.
I'm sure they do. Got toys. All kinds of stuff.
Oh, look. It's like a drivable alligator head.
Yeah.
I need it.
I've seen people play with those. This is really neat. Got the kids section, the fishing, the clothes. Got a little bit of everything. My little ducklings behind me. Mother goose. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if our stuff is ready. Check out the mouth on that gar, y'all. It's a big boy. Look at that. They have the picture as well. Oh my
They
god.
make these so shiny.
That is beautiful.
It looks like there's glitter on it.
Yeah. These are beautiful. Look at the shimmer. Wow, I absolutely love that. Well, like my nails were like that. It's because they clean their floor, dude. So that's the one?
Is that a
Nice.
propeller?
It's lovely. Are you excited? Look at this. Their trailer is even glittery.
Why can't we do a 3.5?
Absolutely love it. Wow. News to us, buying a boat and buying a motor for your boat is like buying a vehicle here in Texas, which means you've got to do some paperwork. And when I say paperwork, not that you're filling out paperwork for a long time, but you're waiting for this paperwork. So we're finally, it is a 4:58. I don't remember when I first started recording and when that was an academy earlier when we were buying the boat. But now we're officially on our way home from spring. Thank you, baby Jesus. I think everybody is tapped out. We got a bunch of junk. Got a bunch of junk in the back. Got a potato sack Bass Pro Shop bag. That's hard to say. But yeah, and now we're on our way home. We thought we were gonna go on the boat tonight, but it's probably, since it's so late now and the sun will be going down shortly, probably take a morning cruise, and we will be taking you along with us.